Hi guys, welcome back to this MBA podcast. This is going to be very interesting. मेरे साथ है SSBF के students, Symbiosis School of Banking and Finance. By the way, say hi to the camera.
Hello.
इन लोगों ने फोड़ा है भाई. इन दोनों को मिली है summer internship in a company called as JP Morgan Chase, which is an investment bank by the way. इनकी स्टाइपेंड की जो रेंज है वो 1.5 लाख से लेकर 2 लाख की है. ये बहुत बड़ी अमाउंट है. एंड बहुत सारे बच्चे कह रहे थे कि सर SSBF में क्या हो रहा है, प्लेसमेंट्स हो रही है नहीं हो रही है. वी वुड लव टू नो अबाउट इट. So I've got them for you. Now listen to this story. Number one question. Why SSBF?
It's actually a pretty obvious decision that it's a niche course which only focuses on finance. So basically I don't want to go to a college which offers a general MBA which has a marketing, sales, other subjects now, like HR subjects now. So just it was like a casual choice of choosing a college that has only MBA from day one.
Okay, Joey, what's your reason for choosing SSBF? You can take the mic.
So coming from a finance background and even my family background is in finance. So I came across your video with my director and that's when I got to know about the Hidden Gem SSBF.
Perfect. But tell me one thing, now you guys are getting into JPMC. It's a global investment bank, like top 10 in the world by the way, ठीक है? And आपकी स्टाइपेंड भी बहुत अच्छी है, right? जब आपका स्नैप हुआ, right? जो भी परसेंटाइल आए, Did you think कि यार मैं SSBF में जाके JP Morgan Chase क्रैक करेंगे, 1.5-2 लाख की स्टाइपेंड लगाएंगे? What was the thought process that point in time?
Of course, we did not see it coming,
Right.
but it was an exciting opportunity that SSBF has to offer for us. So I'm glad that I got the opportunity.
But did you know Joey earlier कि यहाँ पे इतनी स्टाइपेंड मिल सकती हैं या ये कंपनीज यहाँ पे आती है? आपको ये पता था पहले?
No, I was not aware about it.
Then what was the reason to join SSBF? Is it only because it's a niche college?
Like I said, the kind of exposure and when I actually heard the director's address, I just got to know more about it, and that is something that made me want to come to SSBF. Again, the name of Symbiosis was also something that made me
So
want
overall, I mean, sorry to cut you, but then overall मुझे लगता है कि most of the students ने मुझे यही कहा, even your seniors, when I interviewed them in the morning, they said कि sir it's all about Symbiosis. So that helps us a lot. Niranjan, I would love to understand from you when
Yes,
you got your snapper result, what was going on in your mind? Ki, not that great percentile, not that bad percentile.
Yeah.
Now what to do, where to go? How did you deal with that?
Yeah, I knew that it was a decent percentile to crack SSBF. And also I knew that the companies like JP Morgan, BNY and all comes to SSBF and picks up people. But I don't know whether I'm going to crack. I never would have thought that I would have cracked JP Morgan at that point, coming from an engineering background to non-finance, non-commerce background. So it really helped me. SSBF really helped me a lot in gaining the knowledge of the domain of finance basically, because I am a zero in finance before coming here.
But now you really have to work hard because you're getting to JPMC,
Yeah.
so you have to get your concepts in place now.
Actually they kept us a lot of bridge courses which really help people coming
nice.
from a diverse background like economics, engineering to cope up with people who have CA level skills here. So it's like also, I mean, in the view of JP Morgan, they won't actually look for people who are from this background, this domain and all. It's like how you solve a problem at that given moment, how you are relevant to that industry at that point of time. It's like your presence of mind at that point of the interview is like what makes you different.
Yes, Julie, you have anything to contribute?
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Also, after joining SSBF, like Niranjan said, that he did not have a background of finance. So the kind of training and the kind of assistance that was provided by the placement team was something that was very amazing. Not just our managerial skills or soft skills, our interpersonal skills. We were also brushed up on our technical skills by conducting mock GDs, mock interviews.
But they do that for summer internship also?
Yes.
Yeah. So you're not just for placements. So even our faculty plays like close attention and provides as much as feedback for us so that we can improve.
Okay, so this is what you all need to understand. Okay, with a decent percentile, these two, I mean, there are more students to be very honest. I will not disclose the number, but the number at which JP Morgan hire from SSBF, that number is really huge. अगर आप industry wise अगर आप देखते हो तो. Number two, see now हर एक कॉलेज में ना 3 लेवल होते हैं. टॉप का बच्चा, मिडिल लेवल and the bottom level. So not everybody can make it to these top-notch companies. So you need to understand that the college's responsibility is to give you a platform, an opportunity. Now you have to have your resume. your skill set, your com skills aligned to that profile. If you have it, then you'll be able to crack it. तो ऐसा नहीं कि SSBF में अगर आप हर एक बच्चे जितनी भी इनका इंटेक है 170 180 whatever it is, right? So not everybody is gonna make it to JPMC, but there are few people and they have made it. So opportunity and chance देना कॉलेज का जवाबदारी है, it's a responsibility and इन लोगों ने वो फाड़ा. Now coming back to the next point, tell me something more about infrastructure because it's a finance college. What are the things you have? Like, do you guys have Bloomberg? Do you guys have, let's say, any statistic data? Statista बोलते हैं उसका, right? Anything to do with case competition, NISM, Udemy? What all facilities are given to you so that your financial acumen grows eventually?
Yeah, we do have a Bloomberg terminal here.
Okay. How many you have? 1, 2, 3?
Actually, we have 7 to 8 Bloomberg terminals.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
That's
like
more than
6
enough.
Bloomberg terminals. Yeah. So we used to go to Bloomberg terminals and try extracting data from real-time markets, and we learn what happens in the real-time industry that is functioning right now. And also we also learn about a lot of AI-based financial modeling, financial data analytics.
AI-based financial modeling.
Yes.
You guys get taught by your faculty here, or?
Yeah, we used to get we get taught by the faculty, and we SSBF brings in a lot of industry experts who are right now in the forefront of these technologies. For example, if Bloomberg is there at the campus, actually, they even bought someone from a top management level from Bloomberg 2 months back.
Okay.
Yeah, she came and she gave a lecture of 2 hours on how to properly use Bloomberg and how to learn good things from it.
Wow.
Yeah, actually, it's like that's what is actually different from other colleges. It's not like finance from textbooks. They even bring like a top management finance like Bajaj Allianz ka CEO.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's like and a lot of our alumni are working in a lot of the top banks in the world.
Okay.
They come and interact. It's like alumni gap. They say alumni jam here. A lot of alumni come at frequently. They used to come at like 4 to 5 weeks. Every 4 to 5 weeks, you will find someone coming from a top bank and addressing you on what is happening in the world, what is required out of you. It's not like there are 2 hours lecture and you're done. You will give exams. It won't happen here.
Okay.
You solve real world case studies here. You learn from Bloomberg terminals here. You learn from industry experts here. And you adapt to the latest technological advancements that are happening.
Perfect. Julie, anything you want to add in this?
We also have a lot of case competitions coming in, so and we also have a lot of students taking part in it.
Okay.
And with like recently we got a case com introduced for from Grant Thornton. We were
Oh, nice.
yeah.
Okay, so just to summarize this, how does it actually help you? I have never seen a B school getting investment banks on campus for placement जहाँ पे Bloomberg नहीं है. That's next to impossible. So अगर आपके पास Bloomberg है, so अगर आपको बोला जाए कि यार एक कंपनी का ना फाइनेंशियल मॉडल बना के दो, आप उसका डेटा Bloomberg से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो easily rather than you doing laborious work on that. So that is where आपका एक financial acumen बढ़ जाता है. That's how you get expertise in that, and that is the reason why you will see on SSBF, JPMC coming in, Morgan Stanley coming in, probably BNY coming in, CRISIL coming in, because of this infrastructure. तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको help करता है, but आपको इसको use करना पड़ेगा, right? Last question for the day. How's peer group यहाँ पे? I've heard a lot about peer group. I don't want to know about the entire batch, but tell me what sort of students you have. Like who are you competing with?
Yeah. In my perspective, I'm competing with a very highly skilled peer group.
Okay, can you name a few? Can you give an example?
Yeah, we have people from Cognizant, NatWest, Qualcomm,
NatWest Bank, Super.
Cognizant Technological Solutions,
Super.
and a semiconductor company called Qualcomm. So people are from
Okay.
diverse backgrounds and top-notch companies who leave their job, come here to learn finance to move forward in their career. And also they are like, it's not academics alone. People are from, some are good musicians, renowned musicians, you will say, even if I can say. And some are like top national sports players.
Wow.
It's not only academics. Yeah, and we have people who have worked till 7-8 years here.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that was not something I was aware of. Okay.
People of, and the age is also very diverse. We have people from age of 35 to people down to people of age 21, 20.
Wow.
So that's the diversity that we have here, and people are from various places. If you take the percentage of people from different parts of the country, every part of the country will have at least 20% of the students are coming in at SSBF.
Julie, I have a different question for you. Okay, so now snap is round the corner, okay? SSBF cutoff starts with 60 percentile, 50 percentile, goes to 70 भी होगा, 80 वाले भी होंगे, 90 वाले भी I'm very sure होंगे अंदर.
Yeah.
So now there are a lot of students, they are gunning for these colleges. देख हर एक का snap अच्छा नहीं जाएगा, आप ये मान के चलो, 60-70 वाले भी होंगे. So I want to tell them, should they fill up SSBF or not? And if yes, then why?
SSBF is under the VARC's constituent, and SSBF is something that's like a niche banking and finance institute. So the thing is that if you are very sure that you want to work in a BFSI domain, this is the right place for you.
Right.
If you want to learn, if you want to make yourself disciplined, if you want to actually learn about finance and also learn about networking, work on your interpersonal skills, I think SSBF is the right place for you.
Right. So just to add what Julie said, number one, अगर core finance पढ़ना है तो आना. But number two, I'll tell you कि form कब नहीं भरना है. If you're not sure कि मुझे फाइनेंस करना है कि नहीं, या फिर मुझे मार्केटिंग में इंटरेस्ट है, HR में इंटरेस्ट है, कुछ नहीं मिला तो फिर SSBF करूंगा. अगर ऐसा है तो भाई फिर मत आना. बट फाइनेंस में अगर जेन्युइनली आपको पढ़ाई करनी है, what SSBF can assure you, good curriculum, great acads, good faculties, and they'll teach you finance from day one itself. Placement, SIP will be by product of that. You will have to work really hard for that. ये दोनों हैं यार, 1.5 लाख 2 लाख की स्टाइपेंड लगी इनकी, right? And you will see multiple people like that. तो भाई अगर कम परसेंटाइल आपको लगते हैं आएंगे, या फिर अगर एक बैकअप ऑप्शन चाहिए, do fill up SSBF if you really finance oriented. Last question, 1.5 lakh की स्टाइपेंड, it's a malamal type of thing. How does it feel now? Is your family happy? Parents happy?
Yeah. Also, I also wanted to add one more thing. Even shout out to all the freshers as well. Like, even I am a fresher myself, and and getting into a company like JP Morgan was something that I did not expect. But then again, like even if you do not have that kind of experience, but if you have that kind of confidence and that kind of knowledge, I think you will be able to crack that interview. Not just even if not JPMC, we also have companies like Bank of New York, Federal Bank. So there are many companies that are coming in, and and SSBF is the right place, to head start your career.
I mean, you guys can definitely go to their website, check their placement reports last year, etc., and you can come to know about their companies even more. But yes, congratulations to both of you.
Thank you.
You nailed it, by the way. And JPMC में अच्छा काम करना और PPO लेना. Next year I want to interview for PPO. Okay? Thank you so much guys for giving some time. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you have any question, any query, you can directly get in touch with SSBF folks. या फिर put a comment here and we'll answer. Thank you so much.